there's one thing you have to do to look like a genius in real estate.
What's that?
Do it for 10 years.
Be patient, huh?
If you do it for 10 years, you'll look like a genius.
You bought it a decent time, I mean, because it's a long-term asset, but how did things play out through the Great Recession with you guys?
No change, no effect. Like, the asset value might have died down, but we had a 30-year fixed loan on it, so it was irrelevant. And then what has been awesome is the Fed has continued to print money, and so we've continued to raise rents now for the last 13 years as inflation has taken its effect.
All right. What was your cash flow on that? I mean, that's what survived through the Great Recession for you. You guys didn't run out of liquidity or anything, right?
No. So I'd say it was probably a couple $100 a month. You know, and we had two other partners on the deal, so, you know, that was the frustrating part in the beginning. It was like $200 divided by 3, you're not exactly getting, you're not exactly moving forward as far as passive income equals your expenses, like Kiyosaki says.
Right. But it worked out. And then what'd you guys end up doing with it? I know you have some. You guys said it kind of snowballed from that one rental.
Yeah. Then we sold it and bought a lake condo for it. But then the last 2 years, we were getting offers we couldn't refuse, and so we 1031'd into a condo in Branson, and then we were getting offers we couldn't refuse. We made like $100,000, and we 1031'd it back to a nicer 4-family in St. Louis, like a straight up wealth builder 4-family.
Wow. Now what's that fourplex look like? What's it worth now, and what's it cash flowing?
I think it's worth 3 and some change, and I bet you we make $1,500 a month.
Man, that's quite the snowball.
Yeah. I mean, there's one thing you have to do to look like a genius in real estate.
What's
You
that?
know what that is? Do it for 10 years.
Be patient, huh?
Like, if you do it for 10 years, you'll look like a genius. Doesn't matter what happens. Doesn't matter what tenants do to the house. Doesn't matter.
Huh. So it doesn't matter what happens with the house.